Hello everybody, I'm Chef Eric. Today I'm going to present a classical Teochew dish called Lor Ark, which is braised duck. Okay, it's from Chaoshan, China, but it's very popular in Singapore. So let's see what we're going to cook and how we're going to make it.
Well, look at the ingredients and spices. It simply says authentic. So oil up the pot big enough for the duck, and then you put in the fresh ingredients like the galangal and the garlic, give it a little whir, and then you put in the dry ingredients like cinnamon sticks, star anise, saoko fruits, and the tang kueh and all that. And then
Cloves, we have green cardamom pods, we have white peppercorns, and we have Sichuan peppercorns as well.
Chef, can we shortcut and use one bowl of 5 spice powder, bro?
Ayo, Myla, don't lah. This is not the right way to do it. That's rock sugar. Coriander roots. Okay, so they also add a distinctive aroma to the gravy. So for Teochew braised duck, we always use light soy sauce, and the color tends to be lighter.
you go add some water, and oh yeah, the whole thing is coming together. Give it a little stir.
Bamboo mat or something that can hold at the base of the pot to prevent the duck from sticking to the base.
Ooh, it's assailing my senses. And then you put the whole duck in gingerly now.
Okay, so we don't have to cover the pot when we are braising the duck. What we want to allow evaporation loss and reduce the gravy until it becomes more concentrated. Every 15 minutes, we give it a flip so that we can get a more even color all around the whole duck.
So that's one flip, and then one more, and then a couple of more every 15 minutes.
Alright, so our braised duck is ready, and you can see the color is very nice. Okay, this is our traditional Teochew-style braised duck. We use the broth, we reduce it down to a gravy, and then with that layer of the aromatic duck fat on it, we will, drizzle it over the calf meat. So now we increase the heat, the fire below, so that we will reduce the gravy, concentrate up the flavors. So don't skim away the duck fat. Okay, the duck fat is an important part of the gravy.
The sauce is nice and thickened.
Yeah, gelatinous.
Now we plate them. Slice up some slices of tau kwa. You can fry them up, and then slice the duck breast meat carefully, nicely. Put it above. It's looking good now. Yeah, wait for the best part.
Okay, now for our best part. Okay, our gravy, the gravy that we have been stewing the duck.
This part I meant. Watch.
Teochew braised duck. No thickened gravy, just nice, natural, gelatinous flow.
Ooh, can you feel the Teochewness in the air? Johnny Moy, lai here, jia mai paise. And then the traditional vinegar garlic chili dip. So chopped garlic and chili with a little bit of sugar, 2 spoons of white vinegar, 2 spoons of water. Give it a stir, and then it's good to go. Wow. 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 Hi.